Hi y'all, we're going to talk about the different shape tools today. Okay, yours may appear as an ellipse right here or a rectangle. It's always going to be below your type tool. So I'm going to click and hold, and then I'm going to expand. Okay, so now I have all these different shapes here. So first we have a rectangle tool. Okay, so if you use the rectangle tool, and actually I'm going to change my colors up here for a fill. And let's just make this a different color. Okay, so I'm about to make a rectangle, and you'll see that the fill inside is going to be this purple color, and the outside is going to be this turquoise. So I'm going to click, hold on, and undo, excuse me, rectangle, click and drag. I'm going to make my rectangle. Okay, now you can't really see the outline very well because the stroke is only 1 point. So if I get up, it'll be larger. So there's your rectangle. Now let's say I wanted to make a square. Click the rectangle tool again. While I am clicking and dragging, I'm going to hold down my shift key. So hold down shift, click, and drag. I automatically have a square. Okay, I'm going to do the same thing with rounded rectangle. You can click and drag to make a rectangle, or you can hold down the shift key, click and drag, and you have a rounded square. Okay. Same goes with the ellipse tool. Okay, I can just click and drag, make an ellipse, or I can hold down the shift key, click, drag, and make a circle. Okay, next we have our polygon. Okay, I can click and drag, make a polygon. Now, while I am holding down, if I go up or down with my keys, my arrow keys on my keyboard, it will add more corners. Okay, so go up, or I can go down. Okay, up and down. I'm going to keep that one there. I'm just going to move it around. So here is the star tool. If you click on the star tool, then I'm going to do this one over here. You click and drag. Okay, we have a star. Now again, if you go up and down with your arrows on your keyboard, you can add more points to make more of a sunburst. Or this is how you get your triangle. Hence why there's no triangle tool. Okay, there you go. Again, if you want to move things around, you take your selection tool. You can adjust them. Okay, make them straight. Move them around however you would like. Okay, another thing real quick. I'm just going to show you how to make a gradient inside of one of these. So I'm going to select it. I'm going to click over here. You'll see colors. Okay, side. I'm going to make a gradient. Okay, the type of gradient I want is, I'm going to do a radial one. Okay, now I need to, over here with my gradient tool, so let me pull this out. You'll see it's in black and white right now. Standard setting. I'm going to double click on this. Okay, again, you see how it has grayscale sometimes. You can change this to RGB. And now I'm going to select this color. Double click up here. Again, see how it's in grayscale? You get RGB. And let's do this color. Okay. Now I can add a gray or a color in between this gradient. So I'm going to double click and let's do a brighter color. There we go. Okay, now we have this interesting looking gradient inside. And if we use our gradient tool right here, click, we can change this up. Okay, so let's say I want less red. Okay, I can even move the red down. I can look, whoop, sorry about that, and undo. Okay, so there's a gradient as well.